Magandang araw, hapon, o gabi sa inyong lahat saan mang panig ng mundo kayo naroroon. Halina at samahan ninyo akong manood ng bidyong ito na mula pa sa ibang bansa. Kung ikaw ay bata pang tulad ko, patnubay ng magulang ang kailangan habang nanunood. Bago ako magsimula, shoutout muna sa mga channel na makikita nyo sa screen. Isang masigabong palakpakan na may kasamang hiiyawan ang para sa inyo.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
This is where I sat. We're heading back to London. I'm just gonna give you a quick tour. We're going to the toilet. So we are at the window. See, this is the mini bar where you can buy things. What you can get. We just can head to the toilet. What happened to the store? Okay, let's squeeze in. Traveling back to London, and that's on the right hand side. The bar is just right through there. We are on this carriage C on this side. And then let's go and check it out. Joining. Let's open the door. This is the joining of the train. So a lot of suitcases on this side, on that side. Now we are on carriage D, and this is up to carriage J. Yes, H, I think, sorry, H. And this is the toilet, which is somebody is here. So let's wait for someone who will come up, and we will get there. Right, for now, I can show you from the window view. Here you go. Still beautiful. closed now, and we're gonna lock it. I was just told that it's not locked. It's locked now, so we're gonna check. Toilet is clean. There is me again. The sink is there. Somebody left the litter. Baby changing. There's the toilet. And let's check if it's clean. Someone didn't flush the toilet, so let's do that now. And just move out the distance. That didn't work. No wonder why. So let's have a try if this toilet, unfortunately they ran out of tissue. And let's try and flush it without touching, using my feet. Oopsie daisy. There you go. So it didn't clean properly. There you are. No wonder why it's still yellow. Anyway, that's the toilet for you. Right, let's unlock the door.
Toilet door is not locked.
Right, so that's about the toilet on this Avanti train. And that's carriage there. Let's go back to our place. So this is the special room. Let's go.
Maraming salamat nga pala sa inyong pananatili. Sa susunod na makita kitang naka-livestream o premiere, asahan mo ang aking presensya. Ang titulo nga pala ng ating video ay, Ang Madilaw na Ihi sa Tren ng Avanti.